Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. I know I have been gone for a while guys. I do apologize for that. It has been busy and hectic, and I finally got a bit of some free time, so I decided to make a video, and the video is about this beautiful synthetic wig that I am wearing right now guys. So if you'd like to see how I achieved or got to make this beautiful ombre synthetic wig, yes, I said synthetic wig, please continue watching. If you're new, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I welcome you with a very warm open heart guys. Welcome to my channel. And if you're old and new, please don't forget to hit that button. Yeah, share this video with your friends. I will see you at the end of the video. Bye. Mwah.
So of course you will be needing the cap that you're going to use to sew in your hair. You need a piece of lace which you're going to be using as a closure opening, and that is how you basically lay it down onto your cap. So the hair that I used is this emerald hair from Pep Store. It's synthetic, very affordable. It comes in 3 pieces. One packet is enough for one head, or enough to make one full wig. So yeah, it's really nice, really affordable. It does not tangle. I really like the color, which is why I chose this specific hair. So I already ventilated my closure offline, which is why you see it finished right there. So I just took a hair ribbon and then I held it up and I started my sewing method. I remember in the last video I started sewing from behind, but I usually start in front because I usually like my front part to be fully installed, or to have more hair, which is why I always start sewing. When it comes to my wigs, I start sewing from the front part moving backwards. It might be a bit confusing, but as you watch you will see what I am talking about. So at this point I'm working with the second piece, which is the second longest piece, and the longest one was going to come at the back. So here I'm busy with the last piece, which is the third piece, which is the longest, which I said I was going to take behind. So now I'm busy with the back part of the wig. So at this point I'm done with the threading or sewing in of the hair, and I'm just fluffing it out, and I realized my closure wasn't actually, the line was not as straight as I thought it was, and it was not as full as I thought it would be. So I just went in and I took a piece of hair from the hair, and I just started ventilating onto the closure just to fill it up a bit more and to make that closure opening a bit straight, because we do want a straight line. So that is what I'm just doing over there. I'm just filling it in, ventilating some patches that were a bit empty, and yeah. So finally I'm done with fixing the closure. I'm done with threading in of the hair, and that is how the hair looks, guys. This hair is beautiful and it feels so beautiful. I was really happy with the end result, and it's just as I expected it to look. So right there I'm just fixing again. I have a video already on how I wear my wigs, and I'm just repeating it again, and I'm just to show you guys how I looked in the wig. And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Why are you mad? You're matching my hair, man. That's why I have you in this video. Ginger, say hi. Ginger. Ginger. Guys, he's not in the mood.